on her last baby.
Can you do me a favor? Like, I would love to use this. So
Okay.
could you sit
over
here so I can see you? And then could you, instead of saying her, could you
Okay,
say your, because she's sitting right here, right? So we want
sit right
to,
here.
we don't want to talk about her like she's not here, right? But the closer you can go, Jan, the better the closer. So I want to hear what you're saying and I want to see your face too. So yes. All right.
Okay, I'm noticing, Tamil, on your chart that your baby was born on the 14th, right? So on the 6th, you were 50% effaced
Oh.
and 1 centimeter.
Oh, okay. I was wondering.
So you're exactly where you
You're
are
exact-
now,
a week
according to
giving
your.
birth.
Okay.
Yeah, so that tells me that your cervix can change really quickly at this point, and that you're exactly on target for your right birth for your baby.
Good. Yay.
That
So
probably
thank you
helps.
for
Yeah,
finding
I
out.
was wondering that actually.
It says 50% effaced, 1 centimeter head high. It's exactly where
Yeah.
you are.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that you're just right on
Can
torque.
you just look at her and nod?
Oh.
Great. So you know what's happening is my disc is full. So
Oh,
this is
okay,
a good
so
time for
then-
us
Yeah,
to take a break.
perfect.